Hey guys, my name is Anthony Tracey. If you're a returning viewer, thanks again for joining me. And like the video and comment and do whatever, you see me? If you're a new viewer, please subscribe, share, like, the whole works, alright? So for today's video, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day.
Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah. Got a bag and then I blow it, yeah.
Alright, so the first thing in the mornings, I drink ginger tea. I don't drink no cold water, I don't drink no orange juice, I don't eat anything. Alright, I have to have my ginger tea first. Because of the pandemic, I have to be working from home. So, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner is all prepared by me. So right now it's breakfast time and I think I'm gonna eat something light. This is called an Otaheit apple. Otaheit. This is an Otaheit apple. Some people call it the Marley apple. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing these words properly, but it's very popular in Jamaica, and I really enjoy it. It's apple season now in Jamaica, and I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so this is breakfast. Something light and simple. Fries and chicken nuggets with some vegetables to neutralize the fat. This isn't your typical Jamaican breakfast, but I was lazy and this was quick to make. I drink a lot of water too. I drink at least 8 cups a day or more. The place always hot, so you have to keep hydrated. So after breakfast, sometimes I feel for something sweet. This can be a Pop-Tart or cake or anything sweet, but not too sweet. You see me? I think it's lunchtime. For lunch, I'm making spaghetti and meatballs. Alright, you see this? This is what you call yardman pasta. Okay, let's just dig in. After lunch, I normally feel for a little snack. So Doritos or, you know, a saldanza usually hit the spot. Alright, so I just done finished work and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna make dinner. For dinner, I felt for some curry fish. I always season my fish or meat the night before, so it marinates. I have some leftover rice and peas from yesterday, so I'm going to eat the fish with that. I like cooking fish because it's easy and takes no time. I feel for something sweet again, but I will not give in to temptation. Dinner is served. Curry fish, rice and peas, and some vegetables. Because, you don't know, a nutrition will say, you know. Alright guys, so after dinner I usually go work out for a bit. You know, something just to kind of keep the blood pumping. Alright, so I'll be right back. Guys, I'm tired, but right now I'm drinking like a little protein shake, you know. It's good after, I normally drink it after a workout. And this concludes the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And comment too. Leave me a nice little comment. Alright, follow all my socials if you want. And one beer too, smell bad. Yes, so guys, thanks again for watching. Big up on yourself.
Mr. Tracey, would you describe yourself as a violent person?
Go suck your mother.
Overall, I'm just an amazing person.
So guys, let's play Never Have I Ever. Never have I ever gotten arrested or had a mugshot.
Jesus Christ, Raquel.
I told you I will call you when I get confirmation.
You're pregnant or something?
Well,
I can barely take care of myself. How the am I to take care of my picnic?
Me, you say, you bring girl around and pay for that shit, baby.
what?
The year cannot get any worse.
Thousands infected globally, and there's still no cure for the coronavirus, which is hurting economies all over the world.
This corona happened. I just up everything.
No, you bring up say you and Sashana. Where you come from?
The one who fight and run away will live to fight another day.
Why am I here?
I have no idea.
What is your emergency?
I've been attacked by Anthony Tracey.
And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.